Welcome back. So today is another brew day. Pretty excited. Today we're brewing up an Imperial Oatmeal Stout, or AKA the Black is Beautiful Homebrew Edition. I've brewed this recipe once, and I used US-05, which was delicious. I liked it. However, I've been hearing wonderful things about Imperial's A09 pub yeast. I just used A09 pub to ferment a batch of English bitters you guys saw in a video, and I'm throwing this batch right on top of that yeast cake. So we're gonna see how this goes. Pretty excited for it. This stout recipe is my go-to recipe. I love everything about it. It's deep, dark chocolate, lots of coffee notes, very smooth. The flavors in it are just, it ticks every single box that I want in an Imperial Stout. Today we're shooting for around an ABV of 8%, 8.1, somewhere in that range. We're gonna see as far as the yeast will attenuate. The first batch, I did have an issue with attenuation. I ended up having a final gravity of 1030. I was shooting for a final gravity of 1015, so it's a pretty good difference. I was shooting for a final gravity of 1018 and 1020, so I was off by about 10 to 12 points. However, probably my fault, because I only used one packet of US-05. I've heard with bigger OG beers, of course, you need to use more yeast. Did I heed that? No, but anyway, so strike water is heating up, and we have our grains here. I'm going to post the recipe that I use down in the description down below, so you guys can have it if you want to brew it at home. I highly suggest you do. This is a wonderful stout recipe. This will impress all your friends, family, anyone that loves stouts. This one is absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to see how this comes out. Follow me along as we mill the grains and we mash in. All right, next is our 2 ounces of Cascade going on in. Let's check our gravity. I believe we're shooting for around 1084 or so. Let's see how we did. I'd say we went over just a little bit, so maybe see that's like 1086, 1087. That's not too bad, I'll take it. Well, the old system did great today. Did awesome. See you guys for the tasting. Let's give this a whirl. Just poured. Looks absolutely beautiful in the glass. It is pitch black. You cannot see through it whatsoever. There's just no way. Light does not pass through. Very nice dark tan head to it. Looks delicious. This is my second time brewing it. As I said earlier, I absolutely love this recipe. It's a knock it out of the park recipe. Couldn't be happier with it. Let's check out the nose. Man, you get a lot of like dark chocolate, roasted coffee right in the nose. It's very, very apparent it's there. It's very roasty. Oh, the nose on this is just absolutely amazing. Oh, it's just lots of deep, dark chocolate in there. It's unbelievable. Let's go for the taste. Very viscous, nice full mouthfeel. Again, the nose follows through with the flavor of it. You have a lot of dark chocolate, lots of coffee notes. The oats and the rye really help out. This one came out to be 8.3%, which is overshot a little bit, but that's fine. It's very welcoming. The first batch I made ended up being around 7%, so I was curious to see if a 1 to a 1.3 percentage was going to make that much of a flavor difference. And it does a little bit. It's nothing terribly too striking. I don't know if I had them both here, if I would be able to tell them apart, but I can tell this one is ever so slightly drier. It's not nearly as sweet. Just a killer recipe. It's nice, it's clean, it's smooth, it's roasty, it's chocolatey. It's everything I personally want in a stout. Can't complain about it. But if you guys brew this, please let me know. Post up your videos. I'd be very excited to watch them. I will comment. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll post the recipe there as well. And thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.